Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. Have you heard of the phrase, grace of the office? Have you heard of that? Grace of the office. It means that when God gives you a task, He will also give you the strength to do the task. Because sometimes we are afraid to take up a job. We are afraid to take up a mission. We are afraid to take up a mission. We ask ourselves, am I capable of doing this? Wag na lang ako. Meron namang iba dyan. No? Wag na lang ako. But the grace of the office means that God never calls without also sustaining. Pag may pinagawa sa atin ng Diyos, tutulungan niya tayo upang matupad yon. All we have to do is to be open to the grace. In the first reading, we heard the story of Abram becoming Abraham. Abraham means the father of many nations. Abraham was given a task. You will be the father of many nations. I am making you the father of a host of nations. But there is also a promise. I will be your God. So here in the first reading, Abraham is given a task, and he is also given an assurance that God will accompany him, that God will help him, and God will bless him. Kaya mga minamahal kong kapatid, ang aral sa atin sa umagang ito ay huwag tayong matakot na gawin ang gusto ng Diyos. Huwag tayong matakot na yakapin ang ating misyon, anuman ito, sapagkat hindi tayo pababayaan ng Panginoon. Amen.